Hello students, welcome all of you in Shrived Education. Today we are going to see what is surface tension is. Before starting with the actual topic surface tension, let us see what is cohesive force is and what is adhesive force is. Cohesive force is a force which is acting between two particles of the same substance. Getting my point? And what is adhesive force is the force which is acting between two different particles of the different substance, right? So in this case we are going to consider what is in this topic we are going to see the cohesive force. Now what is the surface tension is? Now you can see a liquid container which consists of liquid. In that liquid container we are going to see the molecules A, B and C. Now you can see a molecule A is completely lying within the liquid. So which type of force acting on the molecule A? Obviously the cohesive force. Why? Because cohesive force is a force which is acting between the same particles of the substance. So the net resultant force is a cohesive force, and cohesive force is keeping the molecule A within the liquid. Now just see B. So what is in case of B? You can see in case of molecule B, 25% of the molecule B consists air and 75% of the molecule B consists water. And we know that in case of water, the distance between two particles of the water is less as compared to air. So which force is acting, which net resulting force is acting on B? The cohesive force. Net resultant downward cohesive force is acting on B and pulling the molecule B inside the liquid. Right? Now let us discuss about C. What is happening in case of C? As 50% of the molecule C consists of air and 50% of the molecule C consists of water. So what is the net resultant force? Net resultant force is a cohesive downward force. So net resultant cohesive downward force is pulling the molecule C within the liquid. Right? Now that means what we learned, that the molecules which are on the surface of the liquid, they are trying to come inside. The net resultant cohesive force is dragging the molecules which are there on the surface. The net cohesive force is dragging the molecule, pulling the molecule within the liquid. And because of that, what is happening? This membrane or the upper surface of the liquid, PQ, right, that is getting stretched So stretching of the membrane or shrinking of the upper surface of the liquid into a stretch membrane or becoming a membrane very stretched is nothing but the surface tension, because all the molecules are trying to go down and that is creating pressure on the surface of the liquid. And because of that, the membrane which is there, the surface which is there upside, that is trying to get stretched. So that is nothing but the surface tension. So student, this is about the surface tension.